Through the covered bridge and around the bend, you'll find a Lancaster County treasure hidden in plain sight among fields and farms. The gardens are open throughout the summer. At the entrance to our demonstration gardens, you see the native garden on your left before walking down the lane and passing the fenced vegetable garden. Entering a gathering area, you'll find the butterfly garden beyond the benches and AAS sign. To the right of the gathering area is a fenced raised bed garden. All three of these gardens have AAS winners on display. Everyone enjoyed learning about the STEAM concept.
This beautiful contour bell sunflower demonstrates the STEAM concept of math, and we explain the Fibonacci sequence in our sign. I also want to point out that all of our AAS signs have a QR code to demonstrate technology. In our milkweed trial beds, we have numerous signs depicting the science concept. Here in our vegetable garden, we have several AAS winners. Here's our Tonatico tomato, and there's some in here that we can harvest. Over here we have our dragonfly pepper, and we also have several here that can be picked. And then here we have our icicle eggplant, which is also loved by the rabbits.
If it's color you want, the Mango Tango Marigold does the trick, and it looks great paired with the Zinnia Zydeco Fire. Another pairing we especially like is the Celosia Flamma Orange with the Marigold CM Gold. The Verbena Vanity has been very attractive to pollinators.
Here at the flower trials, we have several AAS winners, and we're showcasing the Celosia Flamma Orange and the Celosia Burning Embers.